Are you ready to uncover the marvelous benefits of cinnamon and ginger tea for weight loss? Welcome to Marvelous Ways. In this video, we will present you with 5 transformative effects that cinnamon and ginger tea can have in promoting weight loss. Before we begin, learn how to discover our secret formula for losing weight the natural way without dieting or exercising by visiting burnsap.com or click on the link below this video in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new here. And now, let's dive into the 5 tips in this video. Number 1. Boost metabolism. Both cinnamon and ginger are known for their metabolism boosting properties. Cinnamon contains compounds that enhance the breakdown of carbohydrates and fats in the body, while ginger contains gingerol, which aids in increasing metabolic rates. When combined in a tea, these 2 ingredients create a potent blend that can help improve your body's ability to burn calories, ultimately supporting weight loss efforts. Number 2. Regulates blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has been shown to have a positive impact on blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. Stable blood sugar levels can prevent sudden spikes and crashes in energy, leading to reduced cravings for sugary or high-calorie foods. By helping to control blood sugar levels, cinnamon and ginger tea can contribute to better appetite control and weight management. Number 3. Reduces belly fat. Belly fat, especially visceral fat around the abdominal organs, is associated with various health risks. Cinnamon and ginger tea can aid in reducing belly fat by targeting fat accumulation in this area. The compounds in both ingredients have anti-inflammatory properties that may help combat inflammation in the body, which can contribute to belly fat accumulation. If you are still here, why don't you give us a thumbs up, like this video, and encourage the YouTube algorithm to suggest our videos to more weight loss viewers like yourself. What is your favorite tip so far? Comment below and let's continue with the rest. Number 4. Curbs cravings and appetite. Drinking cinnamon and ginger tea can help suppress appetite and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. Ginger has been traditionally used as an appetite suppressant, helping you feel full for longer and reducing the urge to overeat. This effect, combined with the natural sweetness and warmth of cinnamon, makes the tea a satisfying and flavorful choice for those seeking to manage their calorie intake. Number 5. Enhances digestion. Both cinnamon and ginger are known for their digestive benefits. Cinnamon can aid in improving digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, which facilitates the breakdown of food. Ginger, on the other hand, can soothe the digestive system, reducing bloating and discomfort. Proper digestion is essential for nutrient absorption and overall digestive health, which are important factors in supporting weight loss. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and also subscribe to this channel. Check the other videos on our end screen right now, because they will surely help you in your weight loss journey. See you in the next video.